Is your phone cracked, slow, or just not working the way it should? Don't stress, we've got you covered. Let OXORD Computer Solutions help you out. We can diagnose the problem, can fix and change any component. From cracked screens to battery replacements, water damage to charging issues, our expert technicians can fix it all, quickly and affordably. Great news! OXORD Computer Solutions is a proud recipient of the prestigious DTI Gold Bagwis Award, honoring our excellence in service and customer care. What are you waiting for? Contact OXORD Computer Solutions today.